If you're at home and looking for some great cardio routines to do, then look no further. These are my top 5 YouTube channels you need to follow. Okay, so there are a ton of great fitness channels out there on YouTube, but these are some of my favorites. So the two things that you'll notice out of all 5 channels is number 1, they have routines that use no weights at all. So you can do them anywhere. And number 2, they make consistent uploads. So you got a variety of things to choose from. Okay, let's get started. Number 5 is Bully Juice. This guy has a ton of videos that you can choose from. He is always uploading new stuff. And like I said, he's got videos that use no equipment whatsoever. He's got a couple of cardio routines to choose from. And one thing that I like that you'll notice in all of the choices that I made today, he's got a 3 to 5 second indicator of what's coming up next. So just before you get to the next exercise, he tells you. Number 4 is Abnormal Beings. Again, this guy has a ton of videos, and especially he's got a bunch of videos that use no weight at all. He just seems like a really cool guy, very motivational, inspirational. He really wants you to get healthy. You can feel that from him. Lots of stretching, lots of cardio videos, and he's even got one for kids. His cardio videos aren't that long, so you can get them in the morning or any time of the day. They range between 5 to 10 minutes. Number 3 is Jourdan Yao Fitness. Now there are a bunch of things that I love about this guy's channel. He keeps you informed about what's about to happen next. He's got a plethora of videos that you can choose from, ranging from full body to just ab routines. And time-wise, they vary around 6 to 40 minutes. Because he's got a variety of routines, he definitely caters to all fitness levels, and he is very encouraging. He even goes live every once in a while on YouTube, and you can train right along with him. Number 2 is Blogilates. She's positive and she's like perky and happy and excited. It feels like she's just right there with you, talking just to you. She's got a ton of videos that you can check out, ranging from abs, butt, full body, body positive conversations. She's motivational, talkative, and a lot of her cardio routines vary from 10 to 20 minutes. All right, so that brings us to number 1, all blank. So when I'm looking for a new routine to go to, these guys are probably the one that I'm going to end up going to first. It's in Korea, it's an all-Korean cast, and yes, they do speak Korean, but you don't need to speak Korean to understand. And out of all 5, they have one of the largest libraries of exercise videos for you to check out. Their videos vary between 4 to 40 minutes. They're very encouraging. They've got great music and a huge library of videos that range from full body to cardio. And not only that, they keep you informed. And not only that, they keep you informed about what the next exercise is going to be, either by telling you, if you understand Korean, or a little picture in the top corner. Go check out their channels. Go check out their channels, do a couple of routines, come back and tell me what you think. So now you absolutely have no excuse to be sitting on that couch all day. For ideas on what to eat after you work out, be sure to check here and here. Bye.